I know many of you have asked how I set up my station to film over the top like I do. So I just wanted to show you what I use. And it's this gadget right here. It is called the Arkon, and it's like a live streaming, I don't really know exactly what it's called. And it has like a flat base. It's heavy duty. I just put little flowers. That way it covers it up and you don't see it in the video. But yeah, it's really heavy duty. I just upgraded to this maybe, I don't know, 3 months ago or something, and I absolutely love it. I do have a code that you can use to get 20% off. The code is CraftyGlam, and you just go to arkon.com. It is a write-off for your business. It is it's $99, but if you use the code, you get 20% off, so that's not bad, and it's an investment into your business. And then you just hook the phone right on the top, and you get a perfect shot that doesn't move around. What I was using before was this little thing right here. Okay, so this is like a $10 to $20 option from Amazon. As you can see, it's not as high quality. It's a wire. Okay, so I searched on Amazon for a long arm camera holder, and this is what I got. So you can clip it right to your table. I actually used to clip it like to one of the shelves, and then I would just take this out or up here, and then I would curl it just to try to give it a little more sturdiness, because as you can see, it does shake, and that's what would frustrate me. As I would hook it on there, and as soon as I reached up to click start, it would be like that. So then I would have to edit that out of the video and wait a moment till it stopped shaking so that I could record the video. Or if I bumped my table too much, it would do it again. So this has been perfect, easy to use. I clip my phone up. I do it on selfie mode. That way I can look up from where I'm sitting and see that I'm within the shot, because you don't want to be recording just up here and it's not getting everything. So sometimes in videos I look up and I see, uh-oh, that was totally out. And then I can kind of pan the camera down to show everything. So I hope that was helpful and